going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today we got another video on the budget build Civic. So as you guys can see, yesterday spent a bit of time removing the tint, so it looks a lot better now. I'm gonna insert a photo. It was that purple trash tint, and then it didn't even have tint on the back window, so we got it all removed. Eventually one day I will be putting more tint on. So yeah, just today we're gonna start cleaning up some parts. I got this trim I definitely want to paint, and wiper blade I definitely want to clean up. Also, there's a battery tray that we removed yesterday because it is all rusty, and I'll show you guys that soon here. So just getting off all these parts, and so I can sand them, scuff them down, and paint them so that they are super fresh and the car looks even more clean than it already does. So let's get to work, baby. Alright guys, so as you can see, got these trims removed. I'm just gonna scuff them up quickly, nothing too crazy, and I can spray. I'm gonna go with black as well, and they should look a lot more mint and should make the car look a little bit more smooth once they are all cleaned up. Okay guys, so here's the battery tray. Yeah, it's a bit rusty, but I feel like I'll be able to clean it up pretty decent. Other than that, other than the top part, probably from the battery acid, it looks pretty good. So we'll get it cleaned up a bit. I'll show you guys how good I clean it up, and then I'll spray it. Alright guys, so cleaned it up a bit. Probably spray it with some brake cleaner and then throw some paint on it, so hopefully she turns out minty mint. Alright boys, she came out pretty mint, not gonna cap. Looks good. Just a battery tray, so it doesn't have to be anything crazy, but yeah, making progress, moving into the right direction, boys. The wind, holy shit. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the battery box is in, nice and sturdy. Looks way too clean for the car, honestly, but it's matching some parts. We got this, and then the battery strap itself are painted this weird color. But yeah, looks sweet. Gonna throw in the battery now. Alright guys, it's been a while, like the last video. I've been busy with school, but now I'm finally done, and I got more time, hopefully, to start working on the car and to put more time into it. Today on this section of the video, we're gonna fix this. Look at this garbage, broken ass piece. Also on this trunk, it's missing focus. It's missing that trim as well. So we're gonna get to it. It's gonna be kind of ganj, but we'll get it done. You have to replace this from here all the way to the door, and also this is really shaky, and it's because it's missing like a bearing or bushing in there, and I have the bushing. So I got all these parts from the junkyard last year, and I'm gonna finally install them. So let's get to ripping this thing apart. Okay, so we're making progress. Got the speaker out, got a few clips out, and yeah. So next thing, we're gonna move out the back seats. Pretty easy. Just a couple bolts there and a couple of bolts there as well. There's no bolts on that side because the seat just slides out. So let's get these seats out right now, and we can start to become closer to popping out this piece. I'm so thankful that I got a new piece, because this just looks like trash, even though you don't see it really, but I'm trying to make this thing minty and crispy. So this is the old one, see the cracks, and the new one. Alright boys and girls, we got it taken out. It is so dirty for some reason. Like, it's just nasty dirty in it. It has so much dirt, but I'm gonna give it a quick little vacuum, get out all this human slime, wipe it down, and we can start putting in the new one. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's cleaned up a bit better. Not great, but better. And now I just used a wire wheel in this area because it was getting a bit rusty and crusty. I don't know what the previous owner did with that weird ass hole over there, but it's covered up now, and I'm going to throw in the new panel. So boys, we're making progress here slowly but surely, and let's get to work. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the new piece is in, the fold up seats are on. I cleaned it up a bit. It doesn't look the greatest, and what I'm thinking is I have some sound deadening. Let's make this thing a bit more legit, and let's remove the rest of the sound deadening, and let's lay some new sound deadening on, and it'll be a lot more mint. So I'm going to take off this tire again, and I'm going to remove the sound deadening, and then I'm going to show you the sound deadening that I have, and she should be pretty mint. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I have no clue where I ended off, but as you guys can see, I got the carpet back in here. The piece is looking freaking mint. I didn't put back the speaker because I have plans on upgrading those pretty soon here, so I just left that one out. Also for the coilovers, they need to come out so you can get out the bolts over there. And yeah, the back seat back in. I ended up putting some sound deadening in. I'll show you guys in a second here. I just gotta unpeel it. Just give me 1 second because I'm holding the light with one hand and the camera with the other. Okay guys, yeah, this is the sound deadening. It's just some cheap Amazon stuff. Decided to lay it on. Don't know how much of a difference it's actually going to make, but there we go guys. Huge progress on the Civic today. We got a bunch of trims painted. We got the battery tray painted as well in this video, and she's coming along. We're slowly making progress, but that's the name of the game. Nothing is built in 10 minutes. So I know this was kind of a slower video. Our last video was way more interesting with the headlights and the spoiler, but these are the little things that you need in order to make a build good and make a build legit. Don't cut corners, guys. I mean, I'm cutting some corners here and there, but I'm trying to do the best of my abilities and with the best skill set that I have currently. So quick little glance at the car now, and yeah, so if you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes, and peace.